Why do I know a whole lot about this? Well, because I started out in academics, worked for UCSF as an assistant professor and the director of the pain service for 5 years, left because basically there was no money in academics, moved to Baton Rouge, Louisiana, went to work for a group, figured out that they were making money on me and that this was not really a fit, and ultimately started my own practice. Ended up with 11 docs, built this 25,000 square foot medical office building that you see in this picture, and then added multiple related businesses. When you start to talk to an attorney about an LLC or an S Corp, let me give you some basic 30,000 foot view tips. Ultimately, you don't want to fail, and they don't want you to fail. So the more holes you poke and the more you fix them, the better off you're going to be.